This 149,000 1968 Plymouth GTX hides a legendary 440 big block under the hood, and it's about to unleash the kind of Mopar power that made muscle car history. What's up, everyone? Subscribe to the channel, because today we're taking a closer look at a true American muscle icon, a beautifully restored 1968 Plymouth GTX that represents the golden era of Mopar performance. This is not just another classic car. This is a machine built with attitude, power, and a level of craftsmanship that turns heads everywhere it goes. Finished in a stunning blue exterior paint finish, this GTX immediately captures the spirit of late 1960s muscle. Every line of the body reflects the aggressive styling that made Plymouth one of the biggest names in the muscle car world. From the bold front-end design to the sculpted body shape, this car carries the unmistakable presence of a classic street legend. Adding even more character to the exterior are the chrome accents that highlight the car's original muscle car personality. The polished details create a perfect balance between elegance and aggression, reminding everyone that the GTX was designed to be both a premium cruiser and a serious performance machine. The black side stripes give this Plymouth GTX a racing-inspired appearance, emphasizing its wide stance and powerful profile. Combined with the black vinyl top, the exterior creates a timeless color combination that feels both luxurious and intimidating. This is the kind of classic design that never goes out of style, but the real story begins under the hood. At the heart of this machine sits a legendary 440 cubic inch V8 engine. Known throughout Mopar history for its incredible torque and effortless power, the 440 big block represents everything enthusiasts love about classic American performance. This engine delivers the deep, powerful sound that only a big displacement V8 can create, turning every drive into an unforgettable experience. This GTX features an Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor, helping the engine breathe efficiently while maintaining the classic muscle car feel. Every time the throttle opens, the combination of big block torque and traditional carbureted performance delivers the raw mechanical character that modern vehicles simply cannot duplicate. Power is sent through a Torqueflite 727 3-speed automatic transmission, one of the most respected transmissions ever produced by Chrysler. Famous for its strength and reliability, the 727 provides smooth shifts while handling the massive torque produced by the 440 V8. The drivetrain is completed with a factory rear end, sure grip differential, and a 3.551 gear ratio. This setup provides us excellent traction and strong acceleration, making this GTX just as exciting to drive as it is to look at. Whether cruising down the highway or putting power to the pavement, this Mopar delivers the classic muscle car experience. Behind the wheel, the driving experience is enhanced with power steering and power brakes, making this classic easier and more enjoyable to control. The 4-wheel drum brake system maintains the authentic feel of a vintage performance car while keeping the original character intact. The GTX sits proudly on iconic Magnum 500 wheels wrapped with BFGoodrich Radial T tires. The aggressive tire setup gives this Plymouth a muscular stance with 225 60-15 tires in the front and wider 275 60-15 tires in the rear. The wider rear tires perfectly complement the car's powerful personality and create the perfect classic muscle car appearance. Moving underneath the vehicle reveals the attention to detail that makes this restoration special. The underside has been finished with a protective bed liner coating, providing durability while keeping the chassis clean and presentable. New hardware, a refinished fuel tank, and a factory-style exhaust system complete the attention given to the hidden areas of this GTX. Open the door, and the luxury muscle car theme continues inside. The interior features a beautiful blue design that perfectly matches the exterior personality of this Plymouth. The front bucket seats provide classic comfort while creating the perfect driver-focused atmosphere. Sitting behind the three-spoke steering wheel, you're surrounded by stock-style gauges that maintain the original character of this legendary machine. The factory-style radio, console shifter, seat belts, and vinyl headliner all contribute to an authentic 1968 driving experience. Every detail inside reminds you that this car was created during a time when performance and style were equally important. The finished trunk area adds another layer of quality, showing that this GTX was restored with attention to every part of the vehicle. Even the spare tire is included, preserving the complete classic car experience. The 1968 Plymouth GTX was always something special. It was not just built for speed. It was built for enthusiasts who wanted performance with refinement. It earned its reputation as the gentleman's muscle car because it combined serious horsepower with premium features and unmistakable style. Today, examples like this continue to attract collectors because they represent a rare moment in automotive history. Before modern technology changed performance forever, cars like this delivered excitement through massive engines, mechanical simplicity, and unforgettable design. With its legendary 440 big block V8, beautiful blue finish, black accents, Magnum 500 wheels, detailed restoration, and classic Mopar attitude, this 1968 Plymouth GTX stands as a true symbol of American muscle. Priced at $149,000, this GTX is more than a collector car. It is a piece of automotive history, a machine that carries the sound, style, and spirit of the muscle car era into the future. This is the 1968 Plymouth GTX, a timeless Mopar legend built for those who believe that true performance will never go out of style.